If you prefer looking at all of your data in Microsoft Excel instead of Google Sheets, you can absolutely do that. There's two different methods, and I'll show you both of them. In Google Forms, change to the Responses tab. From here, click the three dots and choose Download Responses. This is going to download all your responses as a .csv, that is comma-separated values file, so that you can open it up in whatever default spreadsheet application you have on your computer. I'll open up my downloads, and here it is. I'll double-click, and it opens it up in Excel for my Mac. It is telling me that some features might be lost if I save this in a CSV format. It wants me to use it in the native Excel format. So if you do this, just keep in mind it's always best to do a file save as and get it in Excel format. I'll click File, Save As, and in the file format, I'll scroll up and make sure it's being saved as a .xlsx file, which is a regular Excel workbook file. I'll click Save, and now I'm ready to go to use all of the features. If you're using Windows, it's just a file save as like you would any other file, except just make sure that you also save the file as an Excel file instead of a .csv file. Let's go back to the sheet in Google Drive. This is the second method. I'm looking at my data in Google Sheets. I can click File, hover my mouse over Download, and choose Microsoft Excel. This way, I don't have to worry about converting it. It's going to download it directly as a modern Excel file, and I can double-click and open it from here. So either way will get you the same result. It's just a matter of which one is more quick for you and which one you're more comfortable with.